Great. Hello, Saket. How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I am good. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
I'm from Bihar. Okay. And currently, are you in Bihar only?
Yes,
Okay. All right. So, Saket, what number of session is this for you?
this is sixth number. Sixth
Six.
number.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
how are your sessions going?
it's each session brings improvement in me.
That's very nice. I'm
So
happy to hear that.
yeah,
Okay. And you've had 5 or 6 sessions. So, how many
yeah.
speakers have you tried?
Uh, I think five.
Okay. So, for each session, you picked a different one.
Yes.
Very good.
In
That's a
one
good
session, I
practice.
pick same tutor.
So, for 2
In two
sessions, you've
sessions.
had the same person.
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right. That's not a problem. Whatever is comfortable for you, that'll work. Okay. Apart from taking sessions here, what other things do you do for your practice?
Sorry, last words I can't understand. Could you repeat the last two words?
Okay, I'm asking like apart from taking sessions here, what other things do you do for your practice?
Okay, I read novel books
Very nice.
and try to speak in front of mirror
Okay, good.
and try to learn daily some new words
Very
so
good.
that I
Okay.
can enhance my vocabulary and
Where do you get these
enrich.
new words from?
I uh, I as I am preparing for competitive examination, so I study the vocabulary from my books.
Okay, all right. Very nice. This is a good practice. So I'm guessing since you are studying for your competitive exams, so you won't be having the time to watch any web series or movies.
No,
Studious, no, you're preparing, you're busy preparing. So, okay.
yes, yes,
How do you keep yourself entertained then? I'm sure you must be taking 1 hour or 2 hours of break in between.
yeah.
So what do you do in that
Sometimes I have some gossip with my mom.
time? Okay.
I love to spend some time with my mom.
Okay, and you two gossip.
Yeah. Chit chat.
Okay,
I mean to say chit chat.
no, you said gossip. Now I want to
Sorry,
know what that gossip is.
I used the wrong word.
I want to know what that
Chit
gossip
chat.
is.
No, that time I used the wrong word. I mean to chit chat.
Oh my god. I was about to ask you if you two gossip, then who do you gossip about? Like
I know.
the next house,
I used
or
the
who is
wrong word.
fighting with
Yeah, yeah.
who?
Yes, yes. I mean to chit chat.
You meant chit chat. Okay, so you chit chat with
Yes.
your mum.
Yeah,
Okay, so do you chit chat on some certain topics or just random?
just random.
Just random. Okay, that's
Yeah.
nice. What does your mom do?
My mom is a homemaker.
Okay. And she also likes to chit chat with you, or she gossips?
Yeah.
What does
No,
she do?
chit chat, chit chat. Not gossip.
Okay,
I
she's
was
also just
mistaken.
talking. That's okay. It's fine. Okay, this is fun. So, is it like how much of time do you take the break for? 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 to 2 hours. 2 hours.
2 hours. So,
One
is it
one to
like
2 hours.
the
Okay.
whole 2 hours you spend with your mom only?
No, sometimes I go on social media and scroll some
Favorite
post.
pastime. That is the favorite pastime of this
Yeah.
year's youth generation. Okay. And what novels are you reading, like you mentioned?
Right now, I am reading Think and Grow Rich.
That is not a
I've come.
novel.
Not novel.
That's a self-help book. It's a motivational
Think and
kind of
Grow Rich.
thing.
I heard that it is a novel book. I don't know then, but
I
I am reading it.
Okay. What is the story about?
This is a story about some great inventor of America. There
Okay.
are lot story of so many people's story,
Okay.
great inventors story
Okay,
in
not
there.
just one
How,
person, there are many people.
how do they achieve their goal?
Okay, how they achieve their goal. Okay.
Yes.
So all these things are there in the book.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's like if it's a combination of stories, then it won't be counted as a novel. Never mind, who cares? Okay, so you are liking this book?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, and if you get just for an example, let's just say you have found a new word in the book.
Yes.
What do you do with that word?
I Google that word and write down on my notebook and try to see many times that word so that I can memorize it.
Pronounce. Okay,
Yeah.
so you practice pronunciation.
Yes, on Google when I search that word and I pronounce that word on by listening the pronunciation
Hmm. Okay.
and try to get the pronunciation and improve.
This is a good method that you even focus on pronunciation. But the thing is that we need to understand the meaning also, right? Now, for
Yeah.
example, you've put it on Google, you've got the meaning of the word. Now you know what that word means. Okay. Now you know that just underneath that meaning, there is a sentence also that is given for an example. So, what you have to do
Yes.
is always try to frame a sentence of your own with the same word.
Sometimes I don't. I can't make sentences, so I leave it.
If you leave, then you know you won't get a proper example of that word. So, in
As
order
there
to
are,
grab the proper
I find so many words that is unknown to me. I can't make its each
this
word
is it.
sentences for each word.
Don't find 10, 20 of words in each day. No. Find only 3 words every day. But those 3 words should be learnt this way that you know whenever somebody asks you what these words are, you should be able to tell them. You don't have to find 10 words in one day. No, absolutely not. Find only 3, but they should be
No,
proper.
I I try to learn whatever word I came across.
But you are leaving the process in between. You know, like you said, if I'm not able to frame a sentence, I leave it. Then the learning wasn't complete. Okay. So, okay, if you're not satisfied with 3, go with 5. Get 5 words, but please make sure that you understand it completely.
Yeah, I try to use that word in sentences.
Absolutely. Because you know, words are either nouns, they are either verbs, they are either adjectives, prepositions. So you should know which word is used as what.
I learn parts of speech as well with the word.
Very good.
So if some time I try to make sentences, then I can make sentences on that word.
Fair enough. That is actually a good way of learning. But don't
I
forget,
try to whatever I can grasp from there.
this is how the learning goes, right? Saket, we need to grab stuff from all directions. Okay.
Okay.
And for this also, I would like to suggest, you're not in the habit of watching any English web series or movies, like you mentioned. Okay.
No,
Please make sure that you're watching at least one episode every day. It is a
I
great
can
practice.
I can spare time for watching one episode per day, but it is paid, so I don't think I should pay for the
Go
entertainment
for
right now.
online streaming. Go for online streaming.
Yeah, but I couldn't find any, and I don't. I try to spare more time to find the web series than watch. I don't think I want handy, handy things that.
Now, this stuff is
that
not going to come handy if you're not going to look for it.
as it takes time to find from other source any web series. As almost all good web series are paid. I think
This is true.
there is.
This is
Yeah.
actually true.
Sometimes I listen to podcast.
Okay. Podcast is not such a good idea because it's just one person talking.
Yes.
Okay. You need conversations. Two people at least. What is the point if just one person is talking and talking? Where is the conversation?
I can learn vocabs from there.
You have a lot of
Idiom.
sources. You have a lot of sources for learning vocabs.
Yes, but it is you can say easy and I forget the word.
Don't go with
Forget the
easy
word.
stuff. You should not go after easy way out. No.
No, I don't. As I can learn vocabulary while doing work.
Okay, you
I
mean
plug
it's
my
easily
I plug my
accessible whenever
headphone.
you are
Yes,
studying
actually,
also, doing also.
yes, yeah.
Okay,
I plug my headphone and play the podcast, and I can learn vocabulary.
listen to it. Okay, it's not a bad way, but it's like, you are only focusing on vocabulary. Where would the other stuff go? All your sources you have made for enhancing your vocabulary. I believe there should be one media for everything, not just one. But again,
Okay,
just what I feel.
I will do.
Rest is up to you, obviously, whatever you feel comfortable.
Okay. I will watch.
Okay, whatever you like, try watching it on this website and let me know if
Friends,
it helps you.
right now I'm thinking of watching Friends. Is it
Don't
okay?
think, just watch. I'm
Yeah, I will.
crazy about Friends.
Okay, I will watch it.
I have watched it 17, 18 times, that show. I am crazy about it.
17.
Seriously.
Oh my
I
God.
can even tell you that which episode has which dialogue. I can tell you everything.
Okay, I will watch it.
That's how crazy I am about Friends. It's a very good show. The vocabulary is stunning on that show. They have used very nice words. But the show is an American accent. Do you prefer an accent?
Yeah, I listened to podcast that is originated from America.
America.
Yes.
Okay, so it
Yes.
is an American accent.
American accent. Yes.
Okay. So, see, on this platform, you'll get British stuff also and English stuff also. Sorry, American stuff also.
I think I should prefer British accent.
India is supposed to follow British accent.
British
That's how
accent.
it is.
Yes. India follow British accent. That's why I think.
But I don't
should
think we
prefer.
should have a preference. If you like American accent, go with American accent.
But it is, if we can say, we believe that British accent is good,
Yes, British accent is clean.
clean.
You know,
Yes.
their accent is clean,
Understandable.
understandable and clean.
Yes.
I have always followed American because I feel more comfortable with American. So I never really followed British. So that's why I feel whichever accent is preferable by whichever community, you follow that. You want British, learn British.
Okay.
Not an issue.